Hello Harsi, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the 2011 Nissan Leaf SL. 106 360 kilometers, and the price is $98.88 plus HST and licensing. This vehicle car proof is clean, no links, and never been in an accident. All the recalls and everything gonna be placed before you pick up the vehicle, fully safe and certified. The vehicle is available right now with a rating on the battery charge can go up to 100 kilometers right, and battery is in a good standing. Silver from outside and silver for interior. The vehicle is very clean. Has a brand new disc and brakes, brand new tires. Comes with the chargers that you could do at home, and yeah, it's ready for you. If you need any more assistance, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.